Today, the market as a whole is recovering. Analysts are abandoning their signals as the price of Shiba Inu is put to the test. There were over 468 trillion Shiba Inus that ceased. Finally, everyone can have it again thanks to Coinbase's unimaginable action. Elon Musk intervened and declared a revolutionary plan, which might drive Shiba Inu's price into a tailspin. What am I even talking about, and what is going on? Let me clarify. Asterisk, asterisk, warning, asterisk, asterisk. Shiba Inu's day wasn't looking well. The price plummeted, down about 1% from the previous day. It's a disappointment, particularly considering that Shiba Inu was making some significant statements from the developers only a few days ago. However, today seems to have a completely different feeling. Many people are now feeling quite unsure about whether the price will continue to decline or whether it will soon rise again. The misunderstanding is genuine. Positively, there was a slight recovery for a moment, but it's still not looking well. Will the downturn end soon then? Time will tell. However, as one analyst noted in a technical analysis, this decline could possibly be an indication of something more serious. He claims that Shiba Inu has failed to overcome a significant amount of resistance. It's not even close to it, in fact. The 26 EMA is the market's first and strongest barrier at the moment, according to the most recent price movement. The intriguing thing is that the 468 trillion Shiba Inu level, which was formerly a place where many investors were still making money, has now become a strong wall. Although it was formerly a crucial area where people could make money, it is now serving as a stiff opposition zone, making it much more difficult for Shiba Inus to begin pushing back up. Furthermore, statistics indicates that many Shiba Inu owners are currently clinging onto their losses. This indicates that market confidence is beginning to decline. The failure of Shiba Inu to return to that critical level is making people lose hope. It might be difficult for Shiba Inu to bounce back and return to its previous level of value in the absence of strong buying demand. We may be in for a lengthy period of sideways movement or possibly greater drops if the sentiment doesn't change. That 468 trillion Shiba Inu milestone is being actively watched by traders. We might see some new bullish momentum if it breaks, but if it continues to struggle at that level, the market may continue to decline. In summary, Shiba Inu's inability to overcome that resistance level merely demonstrates how wary investors are and how unstable the market is at the moment. There is one thing that has remained incredibly constant despite the uncertainty of certain individuals regarding Shiba Inu's future: the community. The dedication is incredible, and it was announced today that Shiba Inu burns had increased significantly once more. Tens of millions of Shiba Inus have been torched in the past 24 hours alone. After being shifted to unspendable wallets, more than 44 million Shiba Inu tokens were essentially taken out of circulation. Two distinct anonymous whales sent over 20 million Shiba Inu tokens in the two largest burn transactions. It's quite crazy. Taking a broader view, more than 82 million Shiba Inu tokens were burned in the last week alone. In actuality, the burn rate has increased by over 30% from the week before. Therefore, even though the market is unpredictable, the community's dedication to cutting back on supply and causing those burns is undoubtedly not going to slow down anytime soon. Hold on though, since you may still be wondering what's going on here. What caused the price to drop? Now, let's stand back and consider the wider picture. What do you know too? Bitcoin appears to be somewhat following the similar pattern, with its price currently hovering at 96K after plunging to the low 95K range. Bitcoin is likewise undergoing a possible correction. Analysts are keeping a careful eye on Bitcoin to see if it can maintain its support or continue to decline. The price of Shiba Inu will undoubtedly be impacted by whatever happens with Bitcoin. Therefore, the market as a whole appears to be under pressure at the moment, not just Shiba Inus. Hold on though, because something significant occurred today that is actually more significant than what is happening at the moment. After a year away from India, Coinbase is reportedly finally making a comeback there. After a lengthy hiatus, Coinbase, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, is attempting to re-enter the Indian market. the same centralized exchange platform that was first launched in India in 2023, is being brought back. To support the entire operation and strategy, they are collaborating with local partners this time. As part of their attempts to comply with all relevant regulatory standards, Coinbase officials are anticipated to travel to India in March of next year to meet with the Financial Intelligence Unit, FIU. Later in 2025, if they receive approval, the relaunch may take place. This is undoubtedly a significant step for Coinbase and has the potential to upend the Indian cryptocurrency market. What makes Shiba Inus so excited about this news? Let's dissect it. To begin with, data indicates that Shiba Inu is the most widely used cryptocurrency in India. It was even more well-liked than Bitcoin at one point. When you consider the potential market in India, it is enormous. Shiba Inu stands to gain a great deal from the surge of new customers on Coinbase, since the company has finally returned to the nation. Shiba Inu's price may increase as more Indians will be able to purchase, sell, and trade the breed on Coinbase. More potential investors and holders translate into more eyeballs on the coin, which can only increase its value. That's not all, though. The fact that Coinbase is one of the largest exchangers for Shiba Inu owners, especially in the US, is another important consideration. Coinbase customers account for a large portion of Shiba Inu's trading volume. For the Shiba Inu population around the world, this decision to re-enter the Indian market is significant. It creates new opportunities for development and visibility, and it may significantly improve the coin's standing in the market, particularly if Coinbase is involved in expanding its user base. As you may recall from our earlier videos, one analyst even predicted that Shiba Inu may eventually hit $1. That sounded pretty unrealistic at first, didn't it? However, it's beginning to seem less improbable with all these significant events, such as Coinbase's relaunch in India, the enormous burns we've witnessed, and the general enthusiasm in the community. We have repeatedly been taken aback by Shiba Inus, who consistently manage to recover or appear when we least expect it. Is this the beginning of something more significant? Perhaps. In actuality, nobody truly knows. However, with all of these actions and the community's ongoing expansion, Shiba Inu may just continue to surprise us. Time will tell. And that's not all. Elon Musk is the subject of yet another significant statement that was made today. His AI business, Exit AI, will open its own gaming studio, he tweeted. This is when things start to get interesting. Web3 games may be included in Exit AI's plans, according to one Twitter expert, which is significant for the whole industry. Who is most positioned to benefit from this then? Shiba Inu. Why? Due to its continuous advancements in the Web3 gaming industry, which already has games like Shiba Eternity and Astronova in production. Shiba Inu is establishing itself as a significant player in the expanding Web3 gaming market with its own games that seamlessly integrate into the larger ecosystem. Shiba Inu might be in a prime position to profit from all the attention surrounding Web3 games if Elon Musk begins to make inroads into this market. However, what do you think of this? Leave a comment below. Make sure to click on one of the videos displayed on the screen if you're interested in learning more. Consequently, this concludes the video. Turn on the channel's notifications bell if you liked the video. Don't take the chance of losing money if you miss a crucial Shiba Inu update. Let's spread the word about this, so please share this video with as many people as you can.